In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for daily tasks. Start by opening Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the Create button and choose Board. When Trello asks for a name, enter Daily Tasks. Then click Create Board. This gives you a clean workspace dedicated to planning and tracking everything you need to do each day. Now set up the main structure of your board by creating 4 lists. Name them Inbox, Today, In Progress, and Completed. These lists act like simple stages in your workflow. Inbox is where all new tasks go first. Today is for the tasks you plan to focus on. In Progress is for work you've already started. Completed is where finished tasks go, so you can clearly see what you've accomplished. Next, open the Inbox list and click Add a Card. Type in one task, then click Add Card. Keep repeating this until you've added all the tasks you want to track for the day. This is a great habit because it helps you capture everything in one place before deciding what to work on first. After that, click into a card to add more details. Select members and assign the task to yourself. Then click Due Date and choose the deadline for that task. This makes your board much more useful because every card now has ownership and a clear time target. You can also click labels to organize tasks by priority or type. For example, labels can help you quickly tell which tasks are urgent, routine, or related to a specific area of work. As you plan your day, move tasks from Inbox into Today. This keeps your focus on what actually matters right now instead of looking at every task at once. When you begin working on something, drag it from Today to In Progress. Then, once the task is fully done, move it to Completed. That simple movement across the board gives you a visual system that's easy to maintain and easy to understand at a glance. For tasks that have multiple parts, use checklists inside the card to break them into smaller subtasks. This is especially helpful for anything that takes more than one step, because you can track progress without creating too many separate cards. You can also attach files or links directly to a task so everything you need is stored in one place. Once you've done that, your Trello board is fully set up for daily task management. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, the key is consistency. Review and update the board daily. Move tasks as your day progresses, adjust deadlines when needed, and keep your lists current so the board stays useful instead of becoming cluttered. Congratulations! You now know how to use Trello to manage your daily tasks in a simple, organized way.